For centuries, cultures around the globe have revered garlic for its medicinal properties. But did you know that consuming garlic at night might unlock a hidden layer of these benefits? While garlic's health advantages are widely known, the power it unleashes when consumed before sleep often goes unnoticed. Today, we delve into the fascinating science behind garlic's nocturnal magic, revealing 9 health benefits that might surprise even the most seasoned garlic enthusiasts. Just a quick reminder, we are not medical doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Garlic, a member of the lily family, is more than just a culinary staple. Its pungent aroma belies a treasure trove of potent compounds, including allicin, the source of its characteristic odor, and much of its health benefits. Allicin is a superstar when it comes to boosting your body's natural defenses. Think of your body as a well-defended fortress. Garlic acts like a battalion of reinforcements, bolstering your immune system's ability to fight off invaders, from pesky viruses to harmful bacteria. This becomes particularly crucial at night, when your body enters a restorative state and becomes more susceptible to illness. Now, let's explore the specific ways garlic can enhance your health when consumed at night. Number 1. Supercharge your immune system. As mentioned earlier, garlic's allicin acts as a potent immune booster. Studies suggest it can increase the activity of white blood cells, your body's frontline defense against infection. Imagine those white blood cells working overtime while you sleep, keeping you one step ahead of potential threats. Number 2. Sleep like a baby naturally. Garlic might be the unlikely hero you need for a restful night's sleep. Some studies suggest it can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. This could be due to its ability to reduce inflammation, a known contributor to sleep disturbances. Think of garlic as a natural sleep aid, gently lulling you into a deeper, more restorative slumber. Number 3. Tame the beast within, that is inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy linked to various health problems. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help combat this internal firestorm, promoting overall well-being. Consuming garlic at night allows its anti-inflammatory effects to work their magic while you sleep, potentially reducing morning stiffness and aches. Number 4. Keep your heart happy. Garlic has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, both crucial factors for maintaining a healthy heart. While the effects might be subtle, incorporating garlic into your evening routine can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system in the long run. Think of it as a tiny shield protecting your heart, especially vulnerable during sleep when blood pressure naturally dips. Number 5. Detoxify and rejuvenate. Our bodies naturally detoxify while we sleep. Garlic can aid this process by promoting the elimination of toxins and waste products. Imagine garlic as a tiny broom sweeping away cellular debris, allowing your body to rejuvenate and function optimally. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest health and nutrition tips. Number 6. Athletic advantage, even while you sleep. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can benefit athletes by promoting faster recovery from exercise-induced muscle soreness. Consuming garlic at night allows its effects to kick in while you sleep, potentially leading to less stiffness and quicker recovery for your next workout. Number 7. Nightly brain power boost. Studies suggest garlic might improve cognitive function and memory. While more research is needed, incorporating garlic into your evening routine could potentially enhance your brain function and alertness the following day. Think of it as a nighttime brain food, nourishing your cognitive abilities for optimal performance. Number 8. Blood sugar blues? Garlic to the rescue. Garlic might help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Consuming garlic at night could contribute to more stable blood sugar levels throughout the sleep cycle. Number 9. Natural antibiotic powerhouse. Garlic's antimicrobial properties might help fight off infections like the common cold or the flu. While not a replacement for medication, garlic's nighttime power could potentially shorten the duration or severity of these illnesses. Now that you're aware of the nighttime benefits of garlic, how do you incorporate it into your routine? Here are some tips. Tip 1. Raw power. Raw garlic boasts the highest concentration of allicin. However, its strong flavor might be off-putting for some. Consider chopping or crushing it 10 to 15 minutes before consumption to maximize allicin content. Tip 2. Cooked comfort. If raw garlic is a challenge, lightly cooking it can still offer benefits. Sautéing or roasting garlic mellows the flavor while preserving some of its health properties. Tip 3. Garlicky delights. Explore recipes that incorporate garlic naturally. Think of pasta dishes with garlic and olive oil, roasted vegetables with a garlic rub, or a simple garlic-infused soup. Tip 4. Supplement savvy. Garlic supplements are available, but they might not offer the same level of allicin as fresh garlic. Consult your doctor before taking any supplements. While garlic is generally safe for most people in moderate amounts, there are a few things to keep in mind. For one, if you take blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor before consuming large quantities of garlic, as it can affect blood clotting. Also, garlic can irritate the digestive system in some individuals, causing heartburn or gas. Start with a small amount and adjust your intake accordingly. Finally, due to limited data that exists on the safety of high garlic intake during pregnancy and breastfeeding, consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Incorporating garlic into your nighttime routine is a simple yet powerful way to unlock a treasure trove of health benefits. From bolstering your immune system to promoting restful sleep and potentially aiding in a variety of other health concerns, garlic's power shines brightest under the cloak of night. So, the next time you reach for a bedtime snack, consider adding a touch of this versatile herb. Remember, consistency is key. By making garlic a regular part of your evening ritual, you can empower your body to heal, rejuvenate, and thrive. The future of garlic research is brimming with exciting possibilities. Scientists are exploring its potential role in preventing and managing various chronic diseases. Additionally, research continues on harnessing garlic's unique properties for developing new therapeutic applications. One thing is certain. The humble garlic clove continues to surprise us with its multifaceted benefits. So, embrace the power of garlic at night and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Keep in mind that we are not medical doctors, and this information should not be considered medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. It is always best to check with your doctor for medical advice and treatment. They will know more about your individual condition. Remember to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time on Health Info Hub, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.